this is Yasir. I'm the lead trainer here at Pearson Professional. Today, I'm going to talk about Oxford Peck Digital Analytics program that Pearson Professional is going to launch in collaboration with Oxford Professional Educational Group, London. One of the most important questions that we get related to this course is who is this course for basically? So I will explain this course is basically for any digital marketer who wants to enhance their analytics knowledge, who wants to understand the performance of the campaigns, who wants to optimize the performance of their websites, mobile apps, or any other digital assets. Apart from that, this course is also for the marketers who are very much into traditional marketing and want to shift into the digital world, or may it be entrepreneurs or the business owners who want to improve the performance of their businesses, who want to get more leads for their businesses. So this course is basically for everyone who is in marketing, who is in sales, who is an entrepreneur, who is a business owner, or e-commerce startups specifically. This course is very beneficial for the e-commerce startups because they can optimize the performance of their e-commerce websites and get the best ROI from their e-commerce portals. And another question that I get related to this course is what are the modules that are going to be covered in this course? So this course is about analytics, so definitely you will cover what digital analytics is. Apart from that, one very important tool in digital analytics which everyone is using these days is Google Analytics. So we are going to cover Google Analytics basics, Google Analytics advanced. Apart from that, we'll also talk about and we'll also cover topics like KPIs, key performance indicators, goals, how to set up goals for your digital campaigns, how to achieve those goals as well. And we'll also talk about conversion rate optimization, how you are going to optimize the performance of your campaign so that you get the best conversions on your website or on your mobile app. And we'll also talk about voice of customer tools. We'll talk about alpha beta testing or A B testing. How do we test our digital assets to get the best performance out of our digital marketing campaigns? We'll also talk about websites and mobile apps, their user experience, their user interface, their look and feel, and how the user experience plays a role to get you better conversion. So overall, this course is about optimizing and upscaling your business using digital assets, basically using your website, using your mobile app, using the digital marketing campaign. So overall, this course is basically about improving the performance of your digital marketing campaigns, improving the performance of your business overall, getting to know about the goals, conversions, return on investments that you're getting from the business. So yeah, so this course is basically covering everything that is related to analytics. Okay, thank you.